Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set who can see your profile picture on the WhatsApp application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that, click on the settings button down below on the right side corner of the screen. After that, you should scroll down and click on privacy. Here you have the profile photo option. Click on it, and here you have three options: everyone, my contacts, or my contacts except. But you can also disable it completely so that no one can see you. That's the fourth option. If you want to, you can choose the third option, and then as you click on it you should select the contacts that won't see your profile picture. Just tap on them and click on the done button at the top. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.